How to use flaxseed oil on your hair. Heat the flaxseed oil in a bowl for a few seconds until it is slightly warm. Then, massage this oil onto your scalp for about 15 minutes. After that, apply it to your hair lengths. Next, wrap your hair with a hot towel. You can heat the towel in the oven, dip it in hot water, or use a blow dryer to heat it. Wait for 30 minutes and wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. For best results, do this 2 to 3 times a week. How flaxseed oil treatment will help. The heat from the oil and the hot towel enables the goodness of flax seeds to penetrate your hair roots and shafts. This nourishes your scalp and hair and helps in healthy hair growth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.